Life's little surprises can come at you from every angle. Whether compliments of an errant tee shot, courtesy of a key fob fumble, or the result of a runaway shopping cart, Cadillac Protection has a plan to shield you from the unexpected to get you back on the road with confidence. Cadillac Protection offers a comprehensive suite of products, including protection on top of the manufacturer's warranty, and maintains the exceptional today to help keep it exceptional tomorrow. There's also a plan that covers replacement or repairs, a plan that covers parts that wear out over time, one that gives you added coverage at lease end, another that provides financial protection, and one that protects you on multiple levels, each offering unparalleled protection for coverage you can count on. Cadillac Protection, shielding you today from whatever comes at you tomorrow. Ask your dealer about the only protection plans backed by Cadillac.